Guys, all right. So sorry, because I had a little bit of technical error. So because of that one, you might not have your thing have must have got disconnected, right, guys? Okay, so nothing much to worry, right? I'm back, right? Okay, so let's go, right, guys? Okay, so sorry, guys. Okay, we'll try to look it into again, right, guys? Okay, so those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? So every day I try to come on a live stream, right? So you can always catch me, right, guys? We'll try to learn together, right? Whatever it is, right? We will try to give the focus from the Monday to Friday sessions, right? You might like to see we doing on the we doing scalping sessions on gold and BTC, right? For Saturday and Sunday only BTC we can do it. Right now the market moves are not that good as we have seen. Should I short after retest, buddy? All right, yeah, maybe that one, right? If you have no entry from here, you might like to wait for that one. All right, okay. Okay, guys, welcome everyone, welcome again one more time, right? Okay, guys. So sorry for you all, right? Okay, so thank you so much. All right, those who have patience, right? Okay, so you always know that if I am ending up my live stream without saying bye to you all, right, that means that I would have experienced some technical errors, right? Because of that one, you might like to wait for me sometimes, right? Okay, so until the things are done, right? Okay, guys, so someone was asking me about the profitable setups, and right, so we were talking about that things, right? Okay, while the market is not moving right now, we keep talking a while, right? Okay, so when the market the profitable setups, it will be according to the situations, right? Okay, so some setups that we are getting, right? Okay, I mean, like, some strategies are not going to work in the sideways, right? Okay, and the setups that you use for the sideways are not going to work for the bull run and the bear run. Okay, so it depends. All right, for the trend analysis also, it's not going to work perfectly for the sideways market, right? Okay, so whenever you are doing the trend analysis, it depends. It doesn't mean that the setups is not working. It will work. All the setup is going to work. All right, okay, but in which market situations is working better, this is important. All the setups are profitable, and I love all the setups that I have. All right, okay, I have almost 7 opportunity different ways of finding opportunities in the market, right? I randomly use whichever setups for whichever setup is working out on that situations, right? Okay, for example, in the situations when the market is sideways, I shouldn't be using the most of the like a trend analysis and all those things, right? Rather, I will be just trying to go for the price actions, right? Okay, so it depends. All right, guys, okay, it depends. So in these levels, right, we have been waiting for the market to give us a breakout towards the downside, right? We are waiting for that one, and market is right now still playing inside, right, guys? It's playing inside this one, right? Not giving you a proper move, right, guys? Okay, so you see where the market is going to make a sideways in this levels or not one more time, right? Okay, so there is a chances of making a sideways, all right, but in fact, all right, so you have already got the setups, right, whereby I have told you all the breakout strategy, all right, whereby the breakout strategy, it had once resistance over here, it was broken out, right, it got a rejection from the down, right? Okay, so you might like to see the market moving again one more time, like doing a sideways, right, something like this, right? Okay, inside this one, all right. You might like to see market moving, right? So in case if it happens to break out from this levels, that becomes a breakout strategy, long setups, right? Okay, but in case if it happens to get a rejection from the top and gets towards the downside, then you're getting a downside move one more time, right? Okay, so this is what we can so market move is right now is not really perfect. Okay, you're experiencing it, right? The market move you are getting is so totally very slow and no volume at all, right? Okay, so maybe around 20 to 30 minutes, I think we will try to see a good volumes coming in, right? We are waiting for that zone, right? Okay, so let's try to wait for a bit, right? Okay, what it does, right, guys? I'll try to wait a bit. Okay, guys, have patience and we will wait a bit. All right. So in fact that you should know that the market is in the 15 minutes time frame in a sideways right now. Though the small time frame it is giving you some move, right? But bigger time frame, 15 minutes time frame and above, you can see the market is in the small sideways box, right? Okay, so we are waiting for the market to give you to the move towards this levels one more time towards downside. All right, guys, this is what we are waiting for. All right, guys, so this is what we are waiting for, but you are not having a proper volume right now. Because of that one, you are not getting a quick move on the downside. All right, so it's playing around a bit. Okay, so this is what we are looking for right now. All right. Still getting inside the sideways box again one more time, right, guys? You see, right, market does the exact move or not. So before it decides, right, it will be a little bit on a sideways. All right, one more time, because the market is not having volume, it is not giving directions right now. Okay, market is in the such a situations that market is about to give you the directions. It can be either towards downside, either on upper side as well. If the market follows the sideways strategy one more time, then the market is going to move towards the downside, right? Okay, but before that one, there is a one chances whereby we have a pending orders on upper side, right? So before we move all the way towards downside, it might do one pending orders completions from the top. That is what we are waiting for, right, guys? Okay. Let's see anyways, right, guys? Okay, let's see, have patience, let's see, right? Don't get confused, guys. All right, don't get confused, just understand the market, what is trying to do it, and the situations that you're facing right now. All right. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है. So this breakout is going to be right. If it happens to give you the breakouts from here, this is going to be the target aiming for those levels, right? If it keeps continuing it, that's well and good, right? We can go for the precise move, right? In case if it does that one, right, we'll be coming down again one more time towards the downside, right? Okay. So we are waiting for that one, guys. All right, meantime, so it have given you move only this much for now, right? And went back to the, so you might like to see market making sideways in this levels, right, one more time. Market has a good chance of making a sideways in this levels, guys. All right, again one more time, getting a reaction from the top. If it clears, well and good. It's feeling sleepy, guys. All right, I'm feeling sleepy, guys. Sleepy. Wait. Okay, let it play around. If it does this pending orders first, right, you're waiting for the same setups at the same levels, right guys? Okay, when the market finishes this levels, right, you are waiting for the same levels over here for the shots, right? Okay, after it finishes this pending orders from the top, right? Okay guys, you are going to wait for the same levels one more time. You have a 0.13 percentage move on a pre-side, right? जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए खुद को जुदाई ओ तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए no sideways for now. तेरे लिए those who are holding from here, yeah, stop loss at entry finished. Okay, we are heating up with the pending orders first. All right. If it breaks out from here, we are going back to $65,279. Okay guys, but this have our last reversal point to wait for this our downside move for today. All right, otherwise it will be from the top. If it gives, you can take it, otherwise you can't, right? So whichever directions it tries to give you, try to follow that one. जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए खुद को जुदाई Retest. Have patience, wait. All right. The teak. क्या बोलता है यार ये? What you mean to say, bro? A little bit better, right? The volatility is a little bit better now. Better than the previous one. So one reversal point. Right now it have given a breakouts and upper side. Okay, one more time. All right. Okay, and if it is not a real breakouts, you'll see again market coming down below these levels. That time we can go for the shorts. Otherwise you wait for the market to get reversed from here, then we can go for shorts. If it stands above these levels, then the market shorts will be invalid for a time being. Rather, if it breaks out from these levels, market will be targeting $65,279, right? Okay, so from these levels we won't be looking for the shorts for a while, right? Okay, so rather if it breaks out from the upper side, we will be looking for the long positions only. If it gets reversed from here, it's still valid. Our short positions becomes valid, right? Okay. For the immediate scalpings, right? जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए, खुद को जुदाई. तेरे लिए. Nothing much financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in, right? Okay, so it's you who is deciding, right? Okay, it's you. The main player is you, right? Okay, not me. I'm not certified financial advisor, right? Okay, so I'm just trying to explain you whatever I understand, right? So be flexible, guys, whichever direction. It doesn't mean that the market moving in upper side is continues on upper side, right? Be flexible. If the market happens to reverse its positions, right? Okay, and come to your zone one more time, you can take it for the shorter ones, right? Okay. 65,100 selling level का क्या मैं सही हूँ? 65,000. Oh, it will be something like this. It may be possible. All right. Okay, but what we are going to do is we will be waiting for one small breakouts over here, right? Okay, and goes up and trying to clear this levels. All right, then we will plan for the shots. If it never does the breakouts from these levels, right, towards the downside, then it may be invalid again one more time, right? So we will be waiting for we need to study over here whether we get it to shorts or not. For now I cannot say that it will get shorts, but we have a good reversal point from here. Okay, so we have a good reversal point from here, filling up the pending orders, right? From here moving towards the downside, right? Okay, in case if it happens to reverse from here, we need to check into small factors over here whether we are getting down or not, right? With the small breakouts. Okay, after that we will be planning for the shorter moves, right? If we didn't get any price actions over here, the shorts will become invalid again one more time, right? Okay, if it gets, then we can plan it. All right, this is good one reversal point whereby you might like to get the shorter moves, right? Okay, but if it is not able to push you down from here, then the market can go up to $65,279 on every side as well. All right, okay. So we need to look into factors over here whether we get it towards the round or not, right? Okay, so let's see, let's wait, right? Okay, let's wait and have patience. Right, guys. Okay, so patience is the only thing that so-called professional trader, they spend almost their 4 to 5 years to learn this thing called patience, right? We cannot directly plan shorts as well. We need to look into few factors, right, that is supporting our short setups, right? Then we can wait for the short setups as well. If it is not giving you any short setups, directly checking at the levels and trying to plan shorts can be invalid sometimes, right? Okay, it might like to bash you too soon, right? Okay. So we need to look for that factors, right? Whether the market is trying to give you the setups for the shorts or not. But this is the fact that the market have one good reversal point from here. Okay, so if it gives, then we take it. If it doesn't gives, then that becomes invalid, right? Okay, guys, so let's see, right, guys, whether we get it or not from the reversal point from here. So accordingly I have planned this arrow for you all. From here it has a chance of coming back to this levels one more time, and it have a chances of throwing you all the way in every side as well, right? So we have to plan accordingly, right? So whichever direction it is, but there is a good possibility that market can send you back from here. Okay, so let's try to look for that one and we'll try to trace it. All right, guys, so nothing much to worry. So market moves were so boring. All right, and right now we are getting back a little bit of more volatility, right, which is nice, right, guys? Better volatility, right, guys? Manage your own risks. Okay, guys, I don't know what fund you are using, so that you try to manage your risks by yourself, right? So if you wanted to go for the upper side move, right, you need to book some profits over here and move your stop loss to the entry and see whether you get a move from here, reversal from here towards downside or not. If it gives, then you can close it. If it doesn't give, then you can keep holding an upper side as well. That's also very the way you can wait for the markets to move on the upper side, right? Okay, if it gets reversed, but you should make sure that you book some profits on this levels immediately. All right. Right now going good, right, guys? Let's see. जन्नत शिकाई मैंने तेरे लिए. Gagan, deep, good, you got it. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है. हिंदी हिंदी कैसे हिंदी सॉन्ग कैसे आती है आपको? आती है ब्रो. मूवीज देखता हूँ ना, मूवीज. बिकॉज ऑफ द मूवीज, राइट. बॉलीवुड मूवीज बहुत गाना गाना चलता है. बॉलीवुड मूवीज गाइस, राइट. Hi, AG Begni. AG. I'm from Bhutan, Gagandip. I'm from Bhutan, okay. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है. Book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, rest, let it flow, right guys, okay. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright, okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Every day I try to come on a live stream at 11 UTC, alright. You can catch me always, alright, from Monday to Friday sessions. We'll be doing the scalping on gold and BTC, right, okay, from Monday to Friday, alright. So market is closed for the gold right now, alright, so no informations on the gold for now, right, okay. No scalping, no trade for the gold, all right, but most probably we'll try to see from Monday to Friday sessions, right, those who are the gold lovers, right, okay. For you all, I have uploaded one video as well. Those who are gold lovers, right, you might like to check it on that videos, right, okay. One video for you all, right, okay. Welcome guys, welcome. तेरे नाम हमने किया है जी अपना सारा सनम जीवन अपना सारा सनम तेरे नाम तेरे